hair need to cut. So coming here to the Park Mall. Got a choice, lots of choices for different barber shops and stuff to come to. But we're going one place to get our hair cut today, so let's go. Coming right here to Lifestyles Barber Shop. There you go, you get a number, everything. We'll be coming to get our hair straight. I usually do my own hair, but today that's special night. I'll try and do like a night out on the tongue kind of video. I had to post one video a week on my YouTube page. Yeah, so I try and put out this weekend. On Saturday I gonna post it. There's a man here to come too, alright? I don't know. Alright. What's up YouTube? What's up world? It's your boy Marky Mark back with another video. And it's real dark, so I can't even do anything here.
Welcome to Nate Express. How you guys doing this evening? We are now riding a BMW. Ha! Bet you never did. Alrighty, let's get on with the ride. Make sure hands, feet inside the car at all time. I don't got money to pay for anybody who gets hurt. Thank you.
Grazie. Alright, thank you.
Thanks, Nate.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? It's your boy Marky Mark back with another video. And for the sake of the content, I wasn't releasing too much information. Just wanted you guys to see where we are when we get here. Y'all see why I don't wear my glasses too much because of the fog up. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, changing up the pace just a little bit. Right here on mBlyden Vlogs, we do a little bit of elegant dining tonight with a nice view of the downtown area of Charlotte Amalie. We are here at CREME restaurant, which is located at, what do you call this place? Yeah, and we're up here for the lovely.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Illustrious.
Okay.
Say hi to camera, Carol. Say hi to all my viewers.
I am mBlyden gang.
Yeah, so this is a first for both of us being up here. We saw it actually on another vlogger's channel. A girl came down, I can't remember her name. You remember her name? Elise, Carice, something with a K. Yeah, anyhow.
Asia girl?
Yeah, something. Okay. Yeah, so this girl came down. She was staying at Blue Bear's Castle, and she came down for her birthday. And she came up here, and I was like, oh, let's come up here and check it out. So, hence, here we are at the lovely, the ambiance is real nice, as you can see. Gonna do a 360. Yeah, beautiful ambiance, guys. I remember when they were building up here. I came up here some years ago with a group that came down to visit. They were building. I was like, what are they building down here? And they said they were building a restaurant. So it is almost 5 years later. We get to come and partake and see what the restaurante is all about. Can't have too much to drink tonight. Got work tomorrow. If it's a weekend, different story. What are you having to drink tonight?
Well, I'm not a drink, I have no idea. You're gonna pick something for me? I don't know.
What are you having to eat tonight? Did you take a look at the menu?
No, I did not take a look at the menu.
Of course, by the name, I know they sell a lot of meat. You're born in a big meat eater. So, we'll see. Okay. Thank you. Alright, thank you. Alright, so guys, we've just been seeing. Huh? Yeah, definitely.
Hello.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Good night.
Welcome to Prime Steakhouse. You ever dined here in the past?
No, this is the first.
We got a nice cocktail menu here for you, as well as our wine list. A couple things that I don't have at the moment are the cucumber slumber and the holy moly.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, man, that's the one we say we're really good.
Instead, right now we have a few different ones. We have something called the blue honey with blueberry vodka, fresh muddled blueberries with a local honey and chamomile. And then I also have a blackberry margarita as well. But I'd be happy to get some water while you settle in for
Sparkling water is fine? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Come back, I'll tell you more about that.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. As if it's not there.
Yeah, so all the steaks are going to be a la carte, so they're just going to come as they are. We have a nice selection of homemade butters and sauces. To the right, below there's a few seafood options. So you're able to sort of build up your own surf and turf if you'd like to.
Okay.
The signature sides at the bottom are family style, so you're able to share them.
Okay.
And we're known for our dry aged cuts. We do a minimum of 45 days on the aging process. That tomahawk is a bone-in ribeye that the chef will actually come out and carve up table side for you. Some additions we have, in addition to that seafood chowder, which is a house favorite here, soup tonight's gonna be a leek. Let's see, a leek and mushroom bisque with some blue cheese crumbles and a pork rind reduction. For entrees, there's 2 this evening. First is gonna be a 8-ounce marinated and grilled elk strip steak, and that's gonna come with a roasted cauliflower puree, bacon bourbon Brussels sprouts.
So Winston did his thing, he lined me up, okay, your boy looking fresh and clean, you know what I'm saying? VI fresh, you know what I'm saying? VI to the wall, you know how we looking. Carol's hair is looking lovely. She did her own hair, guys. If you want your natural hair products too, yeah, you know where to go. What's the name of the website?
Tropic Curls, www.tropiccurls.com.
And I can't guarantee your hair gonna look as beautiful as hers, but it can get pretty close, alright? Check that out. Check that out. You're gonna do that face. Check that out. Natural hair. Natural hair. I love that natural hair. What time is it? Oh yeah, big up to our driver, Nate the Great. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? He's done a superb job of chauffeuring us so far for the next. He'll be coming back to pick us up and take us home. Forgot my drone at home, guys. Yeah, I need some licks. I'm gonna have to come back and get the drone footage tomorrow night. But it's so beautiful out there. Charlotte Amalie is a beautiful city, especially at night. There you have it.